Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's van cleaning day, and what do I have here? I have a little portable. It is a pressure washer. Let's go ahead and show you guys what this looks like, and we'll hook it up on the hose and I'll show you what it looks like trying to clean the van. So we have a hose, we have instructions. I'll just drop it down here. We have the pressure washer device here. We have a battery right there. Go on there. Okay, we have a little pump sprayer that will go on there somehow. There. So we can put our soap in there, and we have a hose which will hook up to our hose, and another nozzle that'll be more powerful with all these different tips. So we're gonna hook it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so until my phone falls down, because it's on a wobbly tripod, this is how it works. You have the hose coming out of this, and then you have a little end going into the bucket here, and then it takes, I don't know, it took me maybe 10 seconds or something, 20 seconds maybe for it to come up. Push the little button on here, and you can push. And then this is the nozzle with just the most water. There's different nozzles. You have this is a 40-degree angle, 25, 15, and these are hard. Here, this one here is just jamming it, so that's a hard one. You can see it gets pretty far away. So this is how you clean. It's a nice little device, and we have high, you can downshift and upshift. So I can have it low pressure if I want to. So how cool is that? Nice. I would probably use it on the highest all the time. So there we go. Clean my van. Nice little device here. It works pretty good. So super cool. 21-volt battery, and you can do it off a bucket. You can see it didn't even use all that much water, so it's going to be good. So if you're at a campground or something and you don't have full access to water, this would be great for it. So this is awesome. This will totally clean my van off and get me back on the road looking nice. Thumbs up for sure.